Welcome once again to Success Stream. What a privilege to be together again. God has been faithful. Quickly, I read something for us in the book of Psalm 126. When the Lord turned again the captivity of Zion, we were like them that dream. Then was our mouth filled with laughter, and our tongue with singing. Then said they among the heathens, the Lord had done great things for them. The Lord had done great things for us, wherefore we are glad. Listen, when you receive divine help from God, number one, it will be drastic. And number two, it will be so evident that people will know that God is the one that has done this for you. And that is what is coming to you this week in the name of Jesus Christ. See, divine help will come in front of collaboration. It could come in front of partnering. It could come in form of support. It could come in front of a timely advice, and ultimately as a recommendation. A case scenario in the Bible, the man Joseph interpreted the dream 2 years ago. Then an incident happened. The butler remembered him and recommended him to the king. The Bible said they hurried Joseph out of the prison the morning, stood before the king, and ultimately he was made the prime minister of Egypt at that particular point in time. What God cannot do does not exist. Now I'll tell you something today. In your business, in your career, in your marriage, in your finance, every facet of your life, God is going to touch it this week, and that's the divine help you are looking for. And I pray ultimately that every divine helper that need to help you get to where you need to get to, they will locate you this week in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. See, positioning is key. I want you to continue to pray, Lord, help me to stay positioned in a place where my divine helper will locate me. Another prayer point again is this: Father, let me be sensitive to know my divine helper, and help me not to miss my divine helper when you send them to me. And